Right, Bea, you're up.
What's happening?
We have to sell the scrap to the company.
This is how we sell things, Bea. Come here. You put them all there, and then you ring the bell.
Spam it. Spam the bell. Spam it. Spam it. Holy
shit! Oh no! You killed her!
Well, you didn't even take her items.
It took our most precious loved one.
Pee-pee girl, pee-pee girl.
How do I do that?
It's empty. You have the cheese touch. You have the cheese touch.
Our most precious loved one. Bea, do you copy? Copy.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. There we go.
Use a bitch. Our most precious loved one.
Ew.
The walkie.
We only have 2 walkies, right?
Yeah, so I guess you just have to go in as a group.
Okay.
Okay.
Connor, you can
I'll be
have
in
it because your mic echoes, so we can hear Tyler. Oh my god.
Ew, stop.
Why are your monster noises so good, Connor?
Fuck. Ugh, I need my water.
Oh my god, it's so foggy. Are we even on the ground? What the? I can't see anything.
Maybe this is a bad... Oh, wow.
This is the bad place.
A few moments later.
Go straight?
We're on the side of a cliff. Fuck it, let's go.
I'm scared.
Alright. Oh my god. Do you wanna pick up the hive? Or do you wanna...
I'll run.
Okay,
I will
okay.
be bait.
Okay. You run, and I'll pick
Do
it
you
up.
want me to run away, or do you want me to run towards it? I'm running towards the ship.
Where do we go, guys?
Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's just a fire exit. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get it!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
No.
Connor, did Connor die? Bea, what do we do? To our,
First he gets me killed, and now he leads us over the cliff. I think we should vote him off.
He's the imposter.
This is Among Us.
I'm good right now.
Do you guys hear this music right now?
No.
No.
Oh. Booga booga.
Booga booga.
What's the password?
Your mom.
Wrong.
Oh, shit.
I can see your hands through this.
Touch. Touch.
You want sit. I got a key.
No.
Oh my god. I'm dying. Oh no.
I don't know what
I
it is.
know.
Pee-pee girl.